Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we know that number 4 we can put into sine s square plus cosine s square. This one that is about number 1. So this one we can put like this. Next, sine s we can do about factorization. So this one I can put like this. Next, if we look carefully about this one, sine s that is about first derivative of negative cosine s. This one that is about first derivative of 4 sine s plus number 3. So the positive we can put into negative and another negative. This negative will distribute to here. Now we can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So we have like this. So if we do first derivative of y, we have like this. So the integration of this one, they will go back to this one, and that is about negative cosine s over 4 sine s plus 3, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.